Hello everyone, I'm Sharanya Abhishek from Chennai. I'm 35 years old now. At 31, I lost vision on my left eye overnight, and it was a terrible experience. We went to the neurologist, and after a series of tests, he diagnosed me with an autoimmune disorder called multiple sclerosis. We didn't even know what multiple sclerosis was then, and we didn't even know the seriousness of it. After reading up on multiple sclerosis, it was very scary, and I was immediately admitted to the hospital. And after IV steroids, I luckily got my eyesight back. After that, the neurologist put me on oral steroids. Those oral steroids just took a toll on my body and my mind. I used to feel very hungry throughout the day. I used to wake up at 2 a.m. and eat chapatis. I used to wake up at again 5 a.m. and eat something filling. And I was on sleeping tablets because I was not, it was too much for me to handle. And I used to shout at people. I was not myself. I think that was the worst time of my life. Then he put me on an immunosuppressant, which I had to take for 8 to 10 years of my life. And that one immunosuppressant, a small little tablet which is 14 mg, costed us about 20 to 30,000 per month. And it was not available off the shelf in a medical store. It had to be imported. It had to go through a lot of procedures. It had to be imported from the US every time. And apart from that one medicine, there were other medicines too, like 12 to 13 tablets every month, and that costed us a bomb. And the MRI scans and the CT scans and the doctor visits, the wait at the doctor's place, everything took a toll on my family and myself. So when we were looking out for alternatives, we luckily found this organization called Sharan and this wonderful woman called Dr. Nandita Shah, who eventually changed my life for good. I took a consultation with her with no hope. I followed everything she said to the T, and to my disbelief, I saw results in 3 months. I stopped my sleeping tablets. I cut down on all the other medicines except the immunosuppressant because I was very scared to cut it down. Because every time I think of stopping that immunosuppressant, my doctor's words would come, it would ring in my mind. He would say, if you stop this, you lose your eyesight again and you'll end up in a wheelchair. So these two lines were very scary, so I could not stop that immunosuppressant because this lifestyle was very new to me. I still didn't get confidence on this lifestyle. So 3 months became 6 months, and 6 months became 1 year. This lifestyle was going on, and parallelly even the immunosuppressant was going on. So after a year, I told my husband that I'm ready. Then I told doctor I'm ready to stop, and she was very happy to hear that. I could not stop the tablet overnight. It took me 3 months to taper it down, and after 3 months I was off medication completely. And it's been 2 years now. I've stopped all my medicines, and I would say I am still reversing my autoimmune disorder. I still have a few symptoms here and there, but very manageable, only I know it. I know I'm getting there. I'm going to be fine maybe in a couple of years. My body has healed so much. I have no fear now. I know everything can be handled by eating proper, eating well and resting well, and just let the body do its job. And I like all of you to have a look at the website and the testimonials, and try for yourself. You will see a lot of changes. Thank you.
Thank you.